Hello students, today you will learn about estimating quotients from chapter 3. Let's start by trying to solve some examples. Look at this example. Estimate the value of each of the following. Number A, 86,202 divided by 27. Here first we will round off 27 to the nearest 10. When we round off 27 to the nearest 10, we get 30. Now we will round off 86,202 to the nearest multiple of 30. We can do this by listing the multiples of 30, starting with 30, 60, 90 and so on. But it will take a long time to reach near 86,202. So we can start with the multiples of 30, which may be closer to 86,202. We know that 30 times of 1000 is 30,000, 30 times of 2000 is 60,000, and 30 times of 3000 is 90,000. And these numbers may take us closer to 86,202. So now we need to see which of these multiples of 30 is nearer to 86,202. We can see that 90,000 is nearer to 86,202. So we can round this number to 90,000. Now that we have rounded off both the numbers, we can divide them. To make the division easier, we can remove a zero each from the dividend and the divisor. So after removing a zero each from 90,000 and 30, we get 9,000 divided by 3. Now when we divide 9,000 by 3, we get 3,000. So this is the estimated quotient. Now look at this example. 9,18,759 divided by 52. Even in this question, we will first round off both the numbers and then divide them. Now let's first round off 52 to the nearest 10. When we round off 52 to the nearest 10, we get 50. Now we will round off 9,18,759 to the nearest multiple of 50. We can do this by listing the multiples of 50, starting with 50, 100, 150 and so on. But it will take a long time to reach near 9,18,759. So we can start with the multiples of 50, which may be nearer to 9,18,759. We know that 50 times of 10,000 is 50,000. 50 times of 20,000 is 10 lakh. And 50 times of 30,000 is 15 lakh. And these multiples of 50 may take us nearer to 9,18,759. Now we need to see which of these multiples of 50 is nearer to this number. We can see that 10 lakh is nearer to 9,18,759. So we round 9,18,759 to 10 lakh. Now that we have rounded off both the numbers, we can divide them. To make the division easier, we can remove a zero each from the dividend and the divisor. So after removing a zero each from 10 lakh and 50, we get 1 lakh divided by 5. Now when we divide 1 lakh by 5, we get 20,000. So this is the estimated quotient. Let's solve question number 1b of exercise 4. Question number 1b is estimate the value of 45,809 divided by 32. Here we first round off 32 to the nearest 10. When we round off 32 to the nearest 10, we get 30. Now we will round off 45,809 to the nearest multiple of 30. We can do this by listing the multiples of 30, starting with 30, 60, 90 and so on. But it will take a long time to reach near 45,809. We know that 30 times of 1000 is 30,000, 30 times of 2000 is 60,000 and 30 times of 3000 is 90,000. and these numbers may take us nearer to 45,809. Now when we look at the multiples of 30, we can say that 60,000 is nearer to 45,809. So we round this number to 60,000. Now that we have rounded off both the numbers, we can divide them. To make the division easier, we can remove a zero each from the dividend and the divisor. So after removing a zero each from 60,000 and 30, we get 6,000 divided by 3. Now when we divide 6,000 by 3, we get 2,000. So this is the estimated quotient. That's all for today. Thank you.